In this lecture, we are going to make a list of competitors' top keywords. So first, let's start with similarweb.com. Click on the search, then leave out the brand name keywords such as phone arena or phone space arena, and then take out all the other keywords such as phone size comparison, LG G5, compare phones. Then make them a list in Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet software. Now let's move on to Techno Buffalo. Go to search. You can see the keywords as black screen, iPhone 7, Galaxy S7, and Crash Bandicoot. So let's add these keywords too. Now let's go to Pocket Now. Go to search and then look for the keywords. Now our work with similarweb.com has got completed, so let's close these tabs. Now we have moved to SpyFu. You cannot click on the export button or export as CSV because these functions are only available to the subscribers who have subscribed to the pro version of these tools. So you need to manually copy these keywords or type them in a separate sheet. Now let me move on to the next website, that is Techno Buffalo. Here you can see that the top 5 keywords are all of brand name specific, that is Buffalo, which is a term in technobuffalo.com, so we cannot use these 5 keywords. So let's move on to the next website, Phone Arena. I'm going to target visitors from worldwide, so I'm not going to specifically target UK. So I will leave these UK specific keywords and I will take the rest of them. Now let's move on to the next tool, that is SEMrush. Here when you click on organic search and positions, you will get these keywords. So as I said, you need to specifically choose keywords that is based on volume and competition, which you can determine using this position column. We have already added 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so let me add HTC One Max 2. What is Android OS? Haptic feedback. Now let me move to the next TechnoBuffalo website. Now the keywords are getting repeated, such as Crash Bandicoot. There are other keywords such as Iron Man 4, which is belonging to the entertainment category or movie category, and I am not going to concentrate on those keywords because in this scenario, that is in this case study or example, we are going to create a website of smartphone news and reviews only. So let's take hide apps, gear manager, and HTC watch keywords. Let's move to phone arena. Metro PCs, well, the volume is too high to be desired, but the position is 11 even for phonearena.com, so it will be very tough for a new website to compete. So let's leave out Metro PCs, Samsung Galaxy S5, or Boost mobile phones. All of these keywords are very highly competitive, so let's leave them and move on to alexa.com, where you can enter the site URL here and click find. Then you will get this site overview. Scroll down and then come to top keywords from search engines. Alexa.com also displays only the top 5 keywords, so add the ones which you haven't already added. For example, Nexus 6P quick charge or fast charging are one and the same. LG V11, 5 GHz Wi-Fi are all added before. So we need to add Blue Studio Energy to review and root Nexus 6. Let's move to Techno Buffalo. We have got some new keywords such as Nexus 5X versus Nexus 6, OnePlus X, Nexus 6 size, and the fifth one and second one are one and the same. The first keyword is not related to smartphone category, so let's leave out that and add the other. Now let's move on to phone arena. Well, these keywords are of no use because the first one and fourth one are related to the brand name, second and third are unrelated to smartphone, and the fifth one should be highly competitive because LG phones should be a broad keyword and should be targeted by most popular websites which should having higher domain authority. So let's leave out this one too. So we have got around 20 in this seat 1 and 5 to 6 in seat 2. So totally we have got around 25 keywords. But these are just from 2 to 3 websites using these three tools: Spyfu, Semrush and Alexa.com. In this manner, if you look for around 10 to 15 websites, you can easily collect up to 100 top keywords. And while starting or creating a new website, you can start writing articles on these keywords with highly SEO optimized content. The next lecture, you will learn how to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool to do the same job. And also, you will get multiple other insights to decide which keywords are profitable, which one you can neglect.